The programming language which I'm using here is called QBasic, and it's a particular version of QBasic called QB64, as the title bar suggests, which is a compiled version of QBasic, which is possible to run on Windows 10 operating system, which is what I'm using. My intention here is to create a simple 12 times tables program. So let's start. The first thing we'll do is we'll clear the screen. CLS clears the screen. Second thing, print the title, program times 12 times tables. Print, give it a blank line under the program title heading, and then we'll get some user input from the keyboard as to telling us which times table we wish to print out. And we'll store the value they type in into a variable called tables number. A blank line underneath that line, and then we'll use a loop to print out the times tables. For times number equals 1 to 12. Next. This is called a for next loop, and what the for next loop does is it repeats any code in the middle for the number of times, in this case 1 up to 12. So the loop's going to repeat the code in the middle 12 times. And each time the loop number increments by 1 plus 1, it's stored in the variable called times number. Okay, so let's print times number x that's multiplied by tables number equals times number asterisk. Asterisk is what the computer uses to for the multiplication sign. Instead of x, it uses asterisk. Times number, tables number. And let's put an end statement there. You don't need an end statement in this case, because there's no further lines of code below. But it's good practice to program it. Okay, let's go run the program, shall we? My clock is saying 4 minutes. Let me see. So the way I run it is I can either use the mouse to click on the run menu and then choose start, or I can use the keyboard and just press function key F5 to run. In this case, I'll use the mouse and I'll click start. It creates an executable file and then sends the output to the black screen window, and so as we can see, QBasic has two windows. The blue editor screen where you type your code in, and the output screen, which is the black screen here. black output screen window. So it's asking me the black screen, you'll see the output of your code and also interact with your program. So it's asking me which times table. I'll choose 5, and there is the output of the 5 times tables. I check the output to make sure it's correct. 1 times 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5 is 15, all the way up to 11 5 is 50, 5 12 5 60. So that code looks to be working correctly. Now press any key to continue, returns you straight back to the editor screen where you can further edit your code or rerun it if you wish. So I'll rerun it this time. Click run, start, and instead of the 5 times tables, this time I will put in the 12 times tables, and let's see what happens. As you can see, it's run the 12 times tables. 1 12 is 12, 2 12 is 24, 3 12 is 36, 11 12 is 132, 12 12 is 144. So that code output was correct to me. Good. Press any key to continue will take me back to the editor screen, or I can simply press the X on the output window. Returns me to editor. Now I think I'll run it just one more time. And this time, instead of doing the conventional 12 times, I'll go maybe the 99 times table. How about that? And there it is, 99 times table. That's interesting. Well, let's just run it one more time. 99 times table, a bit hard to check because I don't understand 99 times, but I can understand the 100 times table. Possibly I can check that easily. Yep, that code was good to me. 12 times 100 is 1200. Correct. So in just a few minutes, it's possible to create programs which you can interact with using QBasic, and I love that. I love the fact that you can very quickly produce programs that are powerful, and you simply change your inputs, and you see a different output each time. Okay, I'm going to close the recording now. Thanks for listening.